This is the road up to Mauna Kea. It's just passing this pristine landscape here. It's just lots of grass, a few trees here and there. And it's left and it's right and it's up, and I'm just curious what kind of altitude I'm on right now. I haven't seen a sign in forever. It's just this very nice ranch land here, lots of ranches. I take that back. It's not lots of ranches, but there are a few, and they are big and very, very nice looking. This is the Mauna Kea access road that pretty much left the big highway down there, and now it's just going up and up and up. So we are passing through the clouds, and the windows are getting foggy here because I'm guessing the outside temperature is going down a lot. So well, we'll see. If you want to go up to the top here, you have to stop at the station. They will give you some small instruction, and it's mandatory to have four-wheel drive to go up. You cannot, from today they said actually, come with a regular two-wheel drive. That would be like a crime. Yeah, so as you can see, it's just going up very steeply here. And they also said nobody can stay up there at nighttime. You are allowed to go up and check out the sunset, and after that you have to go down again, because they are doing a lot of research up there, and they don't want tourists to run around in the nighttime and screaming and stuff like that. So I'm just behind this Jeep here. They recommended to use low gears as well. Man, it's dusty. Yeah, it's almost like driving on the moon here. And you can barely see anything because all these other cars in front of you, they're just, creating a lot of dust. But this is almost the top. The last few minutes on the way to the summit of Mauna Kea. It's a very interesting place. Looks like super dry, even though I think I see snow up there, but I don't think they have too much rain here. It's like a desert, 13,000 feet up, and the road is bumpy, so it's very fun. If you have a four-wheel drive, you have a lot of fun here. This is it. It's like action. Hawaiian action. Wow, it's really, really bumpy. So people have all kind of cars here. They have trucks, Jeeps, and if you're coming in a little, Honda Civic, that's not going to work. You need like a badass car here. As you can see here, we have a lot of snow here. You can actually do snowboarding here. That's kind of cool. And down by the ocean is like 85 during the day, and here it's like freezing, right? So it's really interesting. You can do surfing and snowboarding, within 2 hours of each other, right? Wow, so interesting. This is like a caravan of four-wheel drive cars, right? Everybody going up to see the beautiful sunset. And I know the altitude we are going to, but at this point I'm not sure what the altitude is. But it's high up. It's probably, you know, 12,000, something like that. It would be over 13 at the top. And right here you see a lot of scientific structures suddenly appearing here. Wow. Interesting. Alright, so we are turning here. And I am clueless. I guess we just go up here, I guess. I just follow the other cars. Yeah, I'm up here at the Mauna Kea summit, and people have a lot of fun here. People come here to see the sunset, and you see all these guys. They are doing maybe not skiing, but I see some guys that bring some boogie boards and they go up to that top and they choo, go down there. That's kind of fun. And I will do just one sweep here. This is like minutes before the sun goes away, so take a look here. Yeah, I will go down here to the edge. They have enormous facilities up here. And down by the foothill, by the way, people are actually demonstrating because they had plans to build another observatory up here. So I don't know why that would be a problem. They have so many anyway. So I'm going here to the edge somewhere. Let me see. It's kind of crowded up here right now. All right, wow, beautiful. Take a look here. All these telescopes they have hiding in these buildings right now. And you need to dress up because it's cold, but it's not crazy cold. It's not actually. So just put on whatever you have and it's going to be fine. But if you want to do boogie boarding in the snow, that might be a different story. And if you don't want to drive, they actually have these summit tours going up here. That would be an alternative in case you don't have a four-wheel drive. And if you have a little scooter to go up here, that would be kind of cold, freezing. And the air is really thin up here. Not extremely thin, but you can kind of feel it. So you're breathing like a fish on dry land, right? Trying to get some oxygen. Whew. Yeah, what a cool place. Hey, you have a cool job. When do you kick out people from here? How long can you stay?
Till sunset, half hour, a little after sunset. No stargazing from up here.
Oh, no, nothing? Oh, okay. All right, but that's good.
Yeah.
See you. No stargazing from here. It's like a classified area. Top secret for scientists, these deep guys who research the meaning of universe. things like that, right? Or maybe they talk to the aliens. I mean, that could be another option. I don't know. And the aliens are coming here in the nighttime. All right, I go down here. Wow. A couple of minutes before the sun disappears. It took a while to get up. I would say from the ranger station they have down there, it probably took maybe 30 minutes to get up here, and people are lining up waiting for the magic moment here when the sun is going away. So if you're planning to go to the big island, I think you need to put this on the list for things to do. A comparison, if you go to Maui, for instance, they allow you to go up there to the top in the evening, and you can be up there looking at the stars, the Milky Way and all that stuff. But here, no way, Jose, you can't do that. They kick you out, and they start squeezing you out there in a few minutes because the sun is almost down. Lots of cars, lots of people. Actually, you can't see that, but I have shorts on. I'm the only one with shorts, I guess. Everybody's like dressed up in Eskimo clothing here. And I have my shorts. But that's fine. It's not really that bad today. Today is like a nice day. Look at that. I think these people came on a tour here because they all have the same color on the pants. I think that's included in the price. It's almost like you should have like a glass of cognac or something to celebrate, but in the thin air here you will not be able to drive down. I mean, that's for sure. You're going to crash. So this is what the Hawaiians call a sacred mountain, full of astronomical observatories and instruments and things like that. So that's the reason they are actually demonstrating right now. Right where you actually hit the summit access road. They built up a camp down there, and it's just full of people playing the drums and playing flute and singing, and I don't know what they're doing, but it's a protest. All right, we're minutes away. And also another thing is the wind is very, very moderate today. It's not crazy. It could be worse, I guess. There must be at least 50 cars up here. I need to walk around so I don't freeze to death here. But when you're here, you probably have like the car full of t-shirts. You can just put on 10 t-shirts and that will be enough. That's what I did. Take what you have and improvise. The sun is almost gone now. It's like 30% gone. They have cameras and video equipment, all that stuff. They're all waiting for this magic moment. And people are still up doing boogie boarding or whatever they do up on this summit there. Unbelievable, how cool. I'm the only one in shorts. Kind of silly, right? I noticed. Well, there's one more guy up there in shorts, yeah. It's doable. It's doable, yeah. It's not too bad. The last few seconds of the sun. Say goodbye to the sun. And it disappeared. There is no more sun here at the summit. The magic moment everybody waited for. So suddenly there will be like 50 to 100 cars going downhill. Everybody's leaving at the same time. But it was kind of cool. I have to tell you, that was a great experience on the big island of Hawaii. All right, so I will say goodbye to this summit here and start driving down. I'm sure it will be like a traffic jam now. And we have the reindeer here. University of Hawaii. Yeah, and they make sure everything is safe up here. Alright, so I'm standing here right next to the snow. I definitely recommend this place. You should go here, come up, see the sunset, and do a little bit of freezing. It's all worth it, okay? Do it. Yeah, people are slowly driving down from the summit. And after a few minutes driving, you actually came down to this parking lot. And I think people stop here to look at the night sky. And you have this beautiful, beautiful orange color on that side. So I think we're waiting for the sky to become a little bit darker. I'm not sure if they're going to kick us out. Maybe they have the rangers coming down here with badges and machine guns, and they say, you have to leave, please leave now or else. I mean, that could happen, right? It's not every day you go to Hawaii freezing your butt off, but you can easily do that here. Even though today it's not that crazy. More people actually discovered this place. They have these tour buses here coming down to park. So maybe this parking lot will be completely full. Who knows?